How's it going, everyone? On this installment of Corrado Garage, we're going to be putting my battery back in the Corrado, maybe taking it out for a drive for my birthday, since my birthday's tomorrow. And we've also got some new cool garage decorations to put up, so let's get to it. So here's the cool new garage decoration shelves I've got to put up. My lovely lady Wendy bought them for me for my birthday. It's got cool LED lights. Can't really see it right now, but when I get them hung, I'll kind of take some video of it at night, maybe showing it light up. Of course, I've got plenty of model cars to put on these shelves, so might have to buy a couple more though now, because now we got a lot of shelf space. So probably gonna install them over here where I got this other shelf that I just put up not too long ago. Probably fill in some of this space. The ladder I don't think that's the permanent position for the ladder. I think I'm gonna hang that somewhere else, so I'll probably start filling in some of this area over there. And then we got to put the battery back in the Corrado. I think I might redo this right here. I got some heat shrink I could put on here. This needs to be tightened down a little bit better. It came loose over time, so might even, I don't know, at some point here soon, might even get a new terminal, because they're pretty beat up. Alrighty, so there you have it. It's the next day, it's my birthday. Took the Corrado for a little drive, for a birthday drive, and had some fun. Got my shelves up, you can see them back there. I'll get a shot of them with the lights turned off here in a second, and we'll wrap up this video. See you guys next time. There we go. There's the new display case. I think it turned out pretty good.